Alright guys, I am working on another wall. Check this out. Let me know what you think. I'm going to post this on Facebook. Let me know what you guys think. So this one's a lot of work, but I'm really liking it. Okay, bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to check in. It's about 2:26 and it's Saturday. I'm working in my classroom. I've been here for a couple hours and I ended up putting up another bulletin board. I used the brick fadeless paper and a black border because I do have some black border going through my room and it looks really dark. So now I spent almost, an hour and a half working on it. I cannot believe how long it took me to do a bulletin board. Oh my gosh, but let me show you. So that's it right there, and it's right by the door. So when the kids walk in, they're gonna hang up their backpacks on this wall, and I just wanted something there. What do you guys think? I like it. And once their backpacks are up there, you're barely gonna see it anyway, but I thought it would look nice as they walked in, so I don't know if I should have did that paper, but I kind of wanted something different there than just doing this paper again, because that's like my accent wall. So I wanted something a little bit different here. And I don't think I'm going to cover the walls anywhere else because this is like my absolute favorite. And I don't want to go like too crazy where my whole room is covered. But I don't know. Maybe I will cover the whole thing. But there's other things I've got to do. But if I do get help in here, I might have my daughter maybe put some paper on this one. I don't know. I don't want to go too overboard. Am I going too overboard? And then I covered this wall with my contact paper from Dollar Tree. I love that stuff. And I'm probably going to cover my filing cabinet with it too. So right now on this wall, I just have like all our school rules. That used to be a clip chart, but I'm not going to do. Oh wait, right there. That used to be a clip chart, but I'm not going to do a clip chart with third grade. And last year when I used it, I realized like kids didn't really care if they moved their clip or not. I really don't think it's effective. I've used so many different things throughout my 11 years of teaching. So I am still going to use it in a way though. So our academy rules, we call it third grade academy because we departmentalize like I did last year, but now it's just 2 of us, but we're using the same rules. So for instance, if they don't follow directions quickly, I will say that is your, first warning, and then they have second warning, and then they have reset spot where they take a little break. So they're not clipping down. It's just something that no clips are going to go up there. It's just something that I'll tell them. So for example, you didn't raise your hand for permission to speak, or, because that's one of our rules. And we don't want students talking over each other or talking over adults, right? So I'll say that's your first warning. You didn't raise your hand for permission to speak. And then if they do it again, I'll say that's your second warning. And so it's more of just going to be discussion between me and the students and no clips. I don't use Class Dojo. I work on procedures and I'm very consistent with my procedures and routines. And I usually don't have a lot of problems with behavior because I have been told my pace is really good, and I think that's a big part of classroom management. When your pace is good, your students are busy, they know your expectations, they know the routine, they know the procedures, you are not going to have that much behavior. And also if you follow through. But this isn't a classroom management video. I'll insert a card up here for my classroom management videos. Oh, I have so much on my mind, you guys. Okay. So there's the wall from here, and let me move a little closer. So this is what it looks like up close. And let me tell you, this was a lot of work, you guys. And I like the black border. I was thinking of doing a double border, but it's going to take forever. And then these are the hooks right here. Sorry, it's hard to hold it with one hand. So these are the hooks, and they're third graders. So I'm probably going to have it about right there. So I only have 2 packs right now. And then I'll have another one down there, and then 2 more here. I don't know if I'm going to put it too close to the office button because we don't want any kids pressing that button on by mistake. So maybe I'll put them here. Like 2 here. Or no, put 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. I don't know, maybe I'll spread them out. I was thinking of lining them up. Well, of my husband lining them up because he's going to do that. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Should I put 2 and 2, or should I kind of like scatter them to give the kids more space? They all come in at different times. Our school doesn't start here till 9:05? 9. And we still have kids coming in like at 9:15, so they really come in at scattered times. So it's not like they're all going to be in that area at one time hanging up their backpacks. But anyway, let me know what you think. And I don't know if I showed you in my other vlog, my daughter did my door for me. Doesn't that look cute? I still need to put 3rd grade here. Let's add that to the never-ending to-do list, right? So, but my room's kind of messy right now. I've got stuff everywhere, and I can't believe it's 2:30. I don't want to spend, you know, too long here. It is Saturday. Tomorrow I am not coming in. I am going to go to church. One of my favorite pastors is speaking tomorrow. So he's like a special guest pastor. And I was reading his book. I need to finish his book. But anyway, he's going to be speaking today. So, do you think I should take the border out of the middle? When I look at that, I don't know if I like it. Because I want this to... I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I should go. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I will check in before I leave. All right, bye. All right, guys. Decorating a classroom takes so long. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I can't even believe how long it's taking me to put little border around an outlet and a phone plug-in that I don't even use. Really? I should not be spending my time doing this. Anyway, teachers, you know what it's like. All right, guys, I'll talk soon. Bye.